Copper and zinc are melted together in the ratio 3:2 to make the alloy brass. Calculate the amount of copper in 660 grams of brass. Now, in order for us to determine this amount, the first thing we have to do is we are going to determine what is one equal part. And one equal part, in order for us to determine what is one equal part, we're going to take 660 and we're going to divide it by the sum of our ratio. And so we say 660 grams divided by 3 plus 2, which we got from right here. And 3 plus 2 is definitely 5. So we have 660 grams divided by 5, which is definitely 132 grams. Now that's one equal part. But the question wants us to determine the amount of copper, right? The amount of copper. Now copper accounts for 3 equal parts, while zinc accounts for 2 equal parts. Again, copper accounts for 3 equal parts. And so we're going to take our 1 equal part, which is 132 grams, and multiply it by 3 because copper is 3 equal parts. And so we have 3 times 132 grams, which is going to be 396 grams. And so that means that the copper in 660 grams of brass is going to be 396 grams. Next, the question wants us to calculate the amount of zinc when the alloy contains 372 grams of copper. So our first thing that we're going to do is we're going to determine what is one equal part. We already know that in the question, it tells us that the alloy contains 372 grams of copper. Now, copper accounts for 3 equal parts. Okay, so that means that if we want to determine what is one equal part, we're going to take 372 and divide it by 3. Now, 372 divided by 3 is 124. And so that means that one equal part is going to be 124 grams. But we want zinc. We want the amount of zinc, all right? Now, zinc accounts for 2 equal parts. So we're going to take our 1 equal part and multiply it by 2. So we have 2 times 124 grams. And 2 times 124 grams is 248 grams. So that means that the amount of zinc when the alloy contains 372 grams of copper, the amount of zinc is 248 grams.